This time, we do an oil change on our SV 650S. Before we start, don't forget to like and subscribe. I'm running the bike so I can change the oil, make the oil nice and thin. Otherwise I'll just wait around for ages just to fall out of the engine. First I'm going to do is undo this cap, just help it drain a bit quicker. As you can see, this is the drain plug. Just going to undo this with a 40mm socket, let the oil drop out into the bowl below. Here comes hot oil. It looks pretty good actually. Into the engine, we've got the oil filter. Just need to undo that and let the rest of the oil drop out of there now. God, this is good oil. Just clean and wipe around the bearing surfaces. So here's a nice new oil filter. What we're going to do before we put in the engine is we're going to prime it with a bit of oil and also put a bit of oil on the edge there just to help lube it. Helps to give it a good seal. So again, just pour a bit in just to prime it. Just do it. And then put the oil around the seal. So put a bit of oil around the seal and we prime it with oil. And then we'll just screw it back onto the bike. So these things are only thin metal. So I've got a ratchet, I've got a special spanner here because it's going to do it a little bit tighter, but we don't over tighten. It's very easy to tear into these, just strip them. And then we're in big trouble trying to get the thing off then. Also, you need to be able to get it off next time, so you don't want to over tighten. Well, not going anywhere. So what remains now is just to inspect little brass washer. That seems to be okay, so it's not nicked in any way, otherwise you get an oil leak. And then we just put this back into the bottom of the engine. So, just replace the plug. So carefully. Again, not something you want to over tight. It's got a brass washer which decided to crush down. You don't want to put too much force through it. Again, if you strip the threads, you'll be buggered. Okay, that's more than enough. And now we're just going to put the oil in. Okay, so what I'm using now is using a funnel to put the oil back into the engine. So, like a lot of modern engines, Suzuki doesn't use a dipstick. You've got this little spyglass window that you can see the oil level through. So you just carefully approach that, and you want it somewhere between the two lines. You've got L for lower, F for full. You don't want to be too up near the full, really, because you'll tend to just force leaks. It'll get blown into your airbox or something. So you can see now the oil is just starting to appear in the window. We're not far off actually. A tiny bit more. What we need to do is run the engine and prime the filter properly, and we'll have a good idea where it might need just topping up a little bit after a bit of a run. But we'll see how it goes. But other than that, it seems to be fine. Hope you found that useful. Don't forget to like and subscribe.